And you can see I have my two parts now. So let's say I want to put this inside on top of this. So I need to do some joints. So this is where we're going to use this control again, right? The assemble parts right here. And then we're just going to press on joint to join these two parts. So if I go here to joint, I will go here and select the inside of this cylinder, and then the next one, the outside of the cylinder, like that. Let's see what is it doing. So we have motion, so it's gonna be rigid, where it's not gonna move. I think in this case we want cylindrical. You can see, yeah, so it can move in that axis. So it's gonna show like a little preview. And okay, so you can see it has this little anchor right here for the rocket body one. So that means this part you cannot move it. It's like anchored to the floor. But this one you can, and you can rotate it around and so on. So we have more fins, we can do that. There's other joints that we can do. There's a bunch of other videos that we can show you. For now, I think it's all you need. So look, this is my rocket. If I have my fins, I can start also mating them here with different kind of mates. Um, and then I could have my full rocket assembly. So this is how you start an assembly. So you make two parts, and this is pretty much what it is. You can of course lock some of this and so on with physical constraints. But for now, this is just a simple way so you can start doing your assembles. So let's say you want to, do this, so we can go probably to like simulation to like some stresses, or maybe in render, you want to make like a realistic design. And there's other things that you can put, but yeah, it's just like, oh, look, this is how you can turn your things around, and you can see like, oh yeah, this is your design, right? Like you're rendering this, and like this is your rocket, and this is already like in motion and so on. So I'm not gonna get into detail into this. This is just, once again, just a brief overview, but it's something that you guys could try if you wanna, do this at home or later. All right, I think that's it on the videos. I will continue working on this project, guys. So hopefully all of these videos were helpful. And if you have any questions, you can ask any of your mentors. You can ask me, any other professors. We're there to help you out. All right. Until then, good luck on your project.